give it a name. You could give it a name. Your scene. You got to add scenes to OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a software. The link is in the description. All the way in the bottom, it says OBS. You tap it and you download it. It's an awesome streaming software. You could incorporate it even with StreamYard. You could try to work it out together. Actually, I'm sharing the page and I'm using OBS kind of sort of right now, right? But my go-to platform is OBS. It's free, it's awesome, and everybody's using it in the world. Uh it is what it is. So with that being said, I will put round, right? Or whatever, round cam, or you want to put round webcam, I don't know. So you know that that's your scene, and that'll be the name of the scene, and it's gonna go down here, right? So you're probably gonna have it by itself. None of this is gonna be here because I have like a million scenes here because I do a lot of things. So my scenes are packed with images and all types of things, but you just need this one, right? Then you're gonna add uh a video capture. Hold up. You want the empty one. You're gonna add a video capture, right? And then you're gonna find your camera, whatever your camera is, right? That's my camera. Now it's humongous right now, right? It's big, boo. Boom. You guys can hear me, right? I'm pretty sure you can hear me. So you're gonna tap, right click on it, right? And you're gonna go to filters and you're gonna pull that up and you're gonna hit on the plus button and you're gonna go to image mask blend and tap that, right? And then you can name that too. You know what I mean? You could name it round cam, like everything you want to put round, so you can know it's the round cam, right? I would think so. It made sense. Homeboys, the people that made these videos, everybody said the same thing. Every video says call it round cam, so that's in my head. But honestly, I don't even think I named mine's round cam. But whatever. And then you're gonna tap this and you're gonna go to the second one where it says you're gonna come down where it says forget about that it says it there already. Tap it and make sure you tap it. The second one, alpha mask, alpha channel, pop, right? Now you gonna those download folders that I was telling you about. The folder. Hold on, bro. Why would you be calling? Now, the folders that I told you that's in the link, you're going to tap that link under where it says OBS. It says circle shadow folders. The link is in the description to this video, all the way in the bottom. Webcam shadow folders or circle shadows is right there. Anything you see with OBS, not the first one, the second one, it says circle shadows. So you're gonna have them download it wherever you download it at, and you want to get the one that says webcam circle, not the one that says you know what? The one that says webcam circle is the one you're gonna get, right? Are you guys seeing this whole thing? Is it letting you? Oh yeah, it's cool. That's cool. So webcam circle, right? Pop, and you already see it changing up, bro. It's already getting magicy. You heard? Pop. Oh, snap, bro. It's magic, right? So it already says webcam circle. Now, me personally, I'm gonna add an image to this just because I want to have some sort of background thing, right? So you got whatever image is gonna be behind you. Right now, if I close this, there's nothing behind me. So I don't want to confuse you, but this is where you put your images at. So I'm gonna just get an image, right? And I'm gonna go to my images. The only thing now you guys are gonna see my pictures. So I'm gonna just try to get one real quick. And this one is cool because I did the other one before. So now I'm gonna put this in the bottom, drag it, the image. All right. So it's coming along, right? So I already got the circle, but you need that link that's in the description where it says OBS, right? Now, I think, hold on. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. So now we're going to click on it and we're going to add another image. I just did that to put the background, right? Now, the image that you're going to look for is that image wherever you, which is this one, the shadow. So you did the circle first. Now I'm going to get shadow, right? But I'm going to grab the shadow and I'm going to put it behind the video camera, the video capture. I hope you follow me. Then you can move everything around. And the reason I'm doing this shadow is just so you can have a little shadow behind you and it gives it something else like a little play. You get it? It's not that hard. If you follow me, I just paused there because like I said, I'm doing it live and I want to make sure that I was giving you guys the right thing. So now all this, all this, I could just put it as a group and make everything smaller. You get it? Like, all right, hold on. You could put group select items. Why did it go anyway? So when you add it as a group, the whole thing will move together. You get it? You could take the group off. You don't need the group, but you could have this like this where you're in a circle inside a little box, right? But I think that the main thing was to not be in a circle, not to be in a box. That's just for me. But you could group it. You could group it and put it together. You get it? I just removed the group, so I like took the whole thing up, took the whole thing off, right? So I'm gonna show you again. You're gonna add your camera, right? After you added your scene, that was the first thing. You're gonna add your camera. This is your camera. Pop. Then you're gonna right click on your camera and you're gonna add filter. You're gonna add image mask blend. Pop. Then you're gonna tap, or you want to go to the second one, the alpha mask, alpha channel, and tap it. Then the browser. Then you could just hit this if you want to, either or first. I don't know why people do. A lot of people do this one first. I don't know, but I'll just do circle. Pop, and it's already in a circle, right? And then I could close that, right? And then I'm gonna add a image just to get that out the way. I always put unload image when not showing because it'll be eating up your CPU. And then I add the shadow. Pop. Pop. So the shadow's there. You want to put the shadow, you just tap it and leave your finger on the mouse and drag it down to the bottom of the video capture, right? Now, it looks that way, but remember, you got the image. It's still the image. It looks black, but don't let it fool you. So I'm gonna add another image so we can separate all this. I'm gonna add the picture that I had before. Just so you can see some sort of separation. So it's always good to do it with a picture behind it. So this is the image, the one of the images. That's why it's good to name them because I don't have them named. But remember, you want to name them like circle, shadow, or whatever. And that's it. But you really don't need this shadow back there. You feel me? Some people just leave it like very shadowy. I like it like kind of dark just because it looks like if I'm actually coming out the hole or there's a black line around you. And it's cool. And you can make them smaller, you can make it bigger. However, it just takes away from just the square thing. And everybody's like streaming with the little roundish thing, and it just looks cool. You know what I'm saying? If you're getting any value out of this video, consider subscribing, hitting like, sharing the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Boom! It's on the Lockout, aka Tech for Rec. Tech Thursdays. You know how we do.